Okay, this is a first for us. I have a 1972 Webster XL-747 made by Brother, and this is actually was made in Japan. So you don't see these very often, at least we don't. And this one is actually very clean and in great condition, has an adorable little case. This is a perfect portable typewriter. It's very small and easy to carry. It's thin, so you could easily take this on an airplane along with your carry-on because it's such a small profile. It would go great under the seat along with another bag. So let's take a look around it. And right here on the back, on the right side, is a button for your paper holder. If I can get that pressed. There it is. There's your little paper holder. Okay, and then your margins, you just press and drag. And then your carriage release is right here. Oh, you gotta flip up the handle. Okay, so probably the down position is for when it's packed because, like I said, it's a very small, narrow profile. And then when you're using it, flip it up, otherwise you're going to scrape the top. Okay, we're going to move that to the left. We're going to take a look at the inside. So this pops off. So you just kind of give it a little pull. This does use a universal ribbon. Look how clean this typewriter is. It looks like it was really never used. So it's going to be threaded through this double barrel looking thing right here, and then 2 guide wires and another one here. To reverse the direction of your ribbon, you just press these little double barrel things right here, and that's how you reverse the direction of the ribbon, because the ink in your ribbon is going to last a long time. So once you go through it, reverse the direction, go through it again, and you'll be able to do that multiple times. So a universal ribbon is a 2-inch ribbon. They just pop in and out. There is a little spring-loaded arm right here, and you just make sure you pull that out before trying to pull this up. Okay, so you'll see when it's time to put the cover back on, you'll see 2. I can't even think. Whenever I do these videos, I lose all my words. But anyway, you'll see these things, and you'll put them in that thing. So just line them up onto the hole. And then pop it down. There you go. Okay, this has, here's your color selector. So it's on black, all the way up is to red. The white one is just stencil, but it's not going to do anything for you. Basically, it's not going to hit, see, it's not going to hit the key. The key is not going to hit the paper. There's nothing wrong. It's just, that's the selection. That's the way it works. Okay, this one has, I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning here. This is your return button, basically. So it returns you to the beginning of the line, and it advances a line, and you have the option to advance 1, 1.5, or 2 lines. It does have a repeat spacer. So if you've seen some of my other videos, you know I'm always a little cautious about the repeat power spacer, because sometimes all they do is release the carriage and it goes flying. I always double check. So the first time I did it, I had my hand here, but this one works very well, happy to say. Okay, and let's go ahead and load some paper and type on this. I am so impressed at how clean this typewriter is. So this is a 1972 Webster XL-747, and this is made by Brother. All right, so let's go ahead down here, and I misspelled that terribly. But let's go ahead and go around. This is your backspace. If you need to make if you made a mistake and you need to correct it, that's your backspace. This is such a cute typewriter. Yes, this is a good travel typewriter. I just realized my camera is up against the table, and so that's why it's shaking so much. I apologize. Whoops. So even though this typewriter would be good for those who are beginners, I really could see this, somebody who's either a collector, an avid writer, and your favorite way to write and create is on a typewriter, but you travel a lot, this would be what I would recommend. It's going to be fairly affordable, so this really should be like a secondary typewriter. Now, obviously, you can use it for whatever you want, but just my suggestion. This will also be good for kids. Let's do just a little bit more typing. Whoops. What did I do? Okay, so I learned something. Do not type quickly. You have to type slow and steady. Got ahead of myself, and I can tell the typewriter did not like that. Backspace. Let's go back to black. I definitely like the black ink better on this typewriter. The red seems to have some splatter with it. Okay, so excellent typewriter, very, very clean. It actually looks brand new. Not going to be the best quality typewriter, so it's not something that I would use over and over again for writing a book. However, if you do like writing on typewriters and you're going to travel, like I said, this would be a good travel typewriter to take with you. But do keep in mind that this is a slow and steady typewriter. I'll take a photo of this. Look, go to the Etsy shop and take a look at what it did on the line when I was trying to type quickly. And it did not keep up with me. It skipped some spaces. It just did not look right. So slow and steady as it goes for this typewriter. But overall, I think you're going to love it. It's going to be good for kids. It's going to be good for beginners. Like I said, because it's a budget typewriter. I like it. This is a great one. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.